Welcome, children. Let us read the poem The Little Plant today. बच्चों हम ये poem The Little Plant पढ़ेंगे. This poem is written by Kate L. Brown. There are some filling the blanks given in the beginning of this poem which we will do afterwards. Let us start reading this poem. बच्चों ये poem हम पढ़ेंगे. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrop bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Children, read after me. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrop bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Children, this poem is about a plant which is in the heart of a seed. In the heart of a seed means it is in the center of the seed, buried deep, so deep. Now buried meaning over here is that it is in the soil, covered with the earth. A dear little plant lay fast asleep. So what is the plant doing right now? It is sleeping in the heart of a seed, and the seed is buried in the soil. बच्चों ये पोम एक प्लांट के बारे में है. तो प्लांट कहाँ से ग्रो होता है? सीड में से. एंड दिस प्लांट इज इन द सेंटर ऑफ अ सीड, एंड इट इज़ नाइसली स्लीपिंग इन द सीड. दिस सीड इज़ बरीड इन द सॉइल. कहाँ पे है वो? सॉइल में है, मिट्टी में है. नाउ दिस sunshine and raindrop telling the plant which is hidden in the seed to wake up. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. We all know, we have already studied in the lesson a science experiment that for a plant to grow it needs good soil, water and sunlight. So what sunshine is telling the plant? Grow, wake up and creep to the light. Why he wants the seed to creep to the light? So it can grow very nicely. If the plant gets the proper sunlight, it will grow into a very nice plant. Again, the raindrop is also telling the plant to wake. The little plant heard, and it rose to see. अभी ये पौधे ने इनकी बातें सुनी. किसकी बातें सुनी? सनशाइन और रेन ड्रॉप की. तो उसने क्या किया? वो सॉइल के बाहर आ गया. इट रोज. वाई इट रोज? बिकॉज द प्लांट वॉन्टेड टू सी द वंडरफुल आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड माइट बी. माइट बी यानी क्यों? उसे पता नहीं है कि वर्ल्ड कैसा है. जब वो बाहर आएगा सॉइल के, तभी उसे पता चलेगा इट इज़ रियली अ वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड इन विच वी आर स्टेइंग. नाउ वी विल डू दिस फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. अ प्लांट इज एनीथिंग दैट लीव्स और ग्रोस इन द सॉइल विथ वाटर. इट ग्रोस. इट हैज़ रूट्स, लीव्स, because barks are with the trees, not with the plants. The difference between the plants and the trees are that plants are very small, trees are big. So the barks are with the trees, not with the plants. So it has roots and leaves. And is smaller or bigger than a tree? Smaller. Now in this some rhyming words are also given. Let us see those words, because we have studied rhyming words in the last poem. Now what are the rhyming words over here? Can you find out with me? Yeah, see, bright, light. These are the rhyming words. Then you can make your own rhyming words. You can find the more rhyming words, like for wake, what will be the other rhyming word which is outside the poem? Wake, bake. Then seed, weed. Might, tight. Bright, light, that we have already done. So these are the rhyming words in this poem. I hope you understood this poem. So these are the few things which you have to keep in mind. Heart means center of a seed. Buried means it is covered with the earth. It is in the soil, so it is covered with the earth. मिट्टी से ढका हुआ है. And where is the plant? It is in the seed and it is fast asleep. Who is waking the plant? Sunshine and raindrop. Why? Because they want the plant to grow, take the sunlight and water, okay, and see the world outside, which is very beautiful. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.